Good morning to all. Today we'll see the hydroelectric power plant or HYDEL electric power plant in the subject basic civil and mechanical engineering. The earlier classes we have seen the thermal power plant or steam power plant, and then diesel power plant, and then gas power plant. So the where those things the like steam and then diesel and then gas power plants, the components were moreover the same kind of components has been used in that kind of power plant. Where in the steam power plant, we use the sources called the coal to fire in the chamber. It converts that, brings that heat energy that will be passing to the turbine. The turbine will convert that heat energy into the mechanical energy, and then we use generator. Where in case of mm, like diesel power plant, we use the diesel engine, where the combustion chamber with the both air fuel ratio and then the fuel injector will make ignition inside the engine, so that chemical energy will pass over there. That chemical energy will pass into the uh, generator to convert into an electrical power. Where gas power plant, instead of the coal or the diesel, we use the gas to provide and or produce an heat energy. That heat energy will convert into one mechanical with the help of the gas turbine, and that gas turbine and that gas energy, and the heat energy will passing into that gas turbine converts to mechanical energy. After that, we use the generator to produce an electric power. Where here now we're going to see HYDEL or hydroelectric power plant. Here we use the same turbine, but the sources used here is the mm, water. So the reservoir will be here, that where the reservoir water dam will store with the water, we are called reservoir. That potential energy will be available while the water is stagnant at the dam. That will be converted through, that will pass through the penstock in a pipe to flow as in kinetic energy. That kinetic energy will convert into the mechanical energy with the help of the turbine. After that, that turbine will be passing into an generator to convert into an electrical energy. This is what the working principle of hydroelectric power plant. We'll see here the water flow utilization. Hydroelectric power plants harness the kinetic energy from flowing or falling water, converting it into a mechanical energy with the help of the turbine. We'll see in the diagram that here the water will be flow from the penstock through the after the opening of the control gate. While it passing move over there, it will convert that potential energy into the kinetic energy. That water flow will entering into the turbine. This is a turbine here. The turbine will convert that um, kinetic energy into an mechanical energy. Here will the explanation was turbine machines, as water strikes the turbine blades, it causes rotation. After that, it will produce mechanical power or mechanical energy. That mechanical energy will passing into one mm, generator to convert into an electrical power. Here the energy conversions we mentioned here is the process involves a converting gravitational potential energy of water into kinetic energy with the help of the penstock, and then into electrical energy through the dual conversions turbine and the generator. So this is what the working principle of the hydroelectric power plant. Merits of the hydroelectric power plant where is not simple, the renewable energy sources, because the water, while we get the rain, the water will be available. Sustainable, renewable at the minimal carbon footprint. Here there is no any cautions of carbon, chlorofluoro. So this is one of the advantages, and the low operating cost. Only that the investment here in the building of dam or the reservoir is high. For that, it is very simple, the low operating cost. And then capacity also for a large scale production can generate significant electricity to support large populations, and thermal or some other diesel power plants will not able to have more predictable that this much of power will be taken. But in the hydroelectric power plant, by the quantity of the dam or the reservoir we built, we can easily calculate the capacity of the power sources. This is what about the merits of the hydroelectric power plants. Then demerits were in the hydroelectric power plants, environmental impact, and then the site specificity.